Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so all we do in this platform is that we'll teach you guys or give you guys update that concerns schools, Jamb, post utme, and WAEC, NECO, and a whole lot of them. Alright, so if you're a Jamb candidate, WAEC, or NECO candidate, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing update, just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Alright, so today we're going to talk about, if you look at on the topic of the day, you will see Chukwuemeka Odumegwu University OOU. Alright, so um, the reason why you are seeing Chukwuemeka Odumegwu University is because after the Jamb UTME examination, some persons has come to ask me what is the next thing to do after Jamb UTME University, after Jamb UTME examination. Alright, so the very step to take after Jamb University, Jamb UTME examination is post UTME. That's the very next thing. Okay. However, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu University don't write post UTME. What they do is screening. Okay, so they will screen you guys. After screening you guys, they will admit the ones they will admit. All right, so that's basically what they do. They don't do post UTME. What they do is only screening. Okay, so so that's basically what you do. So you have to, but currently now their form is not yet out because Jamb is not yet done with results for the 2024 examination. So they are not yet done with the results. Okay, so it is only when they are done and they will sit their policy meeting and discuss the cutoff for 2024 at that very particular point of time. Some school will start selling their form. Alright, so however, you will buy the form once it's out. Okay, so what you need to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that once the form is out, I'll let you guys know and you'll be the first to check it out. Alright, so now the next thing is that we have a WhatsApp community. That WhatsApp community is for our 2024 registered candidates. Okay, so if you want to join us, you can let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. You can still be a member of us and join us. So you have if you're a WAEC candidate, you have access to WAEC question and answers in our WhatsApp platform. You have access to NECO question and answers in our WhatsApp platform. You have access to your school post UTME past questions. If your school writes post UTME, you have access to the past question, updated past questions. All right, so we also have access to so many other things there. You have our mentorship, and most importantly, we have a program for organized for our candidates. Okay, because we know that once you gain admission, it's not everything that your parents can be able to provide for you, and it's not all the allowances they will be giving you that will be enough for you. You also need a side by side something that will be helping you in school. So that's why we are program arrange our program for next year. So we are going to launch it next year, and there you'll be getting some funds from there so that you can be able to assist yourself with one or two things in school. So if these things I have said is basically what you need as a student or as a candidate, so what you do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you want to join us, want to be a member of our registered 2024 UTME candidates on our WhatsApp group, we also have learning center where you will learn, interact with your fellow aspirants in the WhatsApp. Okay, so if this is basically what you want, let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, so if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up so that other people at YouTube will notify other people out there and they will check it out also. Okay, I love you guys. Until I see you guys again, don't forget I love and cherish you guys. Keep winning.